At the Munster military training location, we tested innovative possibilities for tactical reconnaissance. This was in collaboration with BlackDead, as they were conducting the proof of concept for digital land-based operations. In today's exercise, enemy locations had to be detected and reported to our own forces. The enemy forces were statically and dynamically deployed in the terrain and could be detected by the Scorpion and the RGB as well as the thermal payload. The troops were equipped with video transmitting and receiving systems, the tactical client. Due to the dynamics of the battle, the Tri Copter Scorpion was used for additional reconnaissance equipped with infrared and electro-optical sensors. The video image and additional relevant GPS data were streamed live to all friendly forces who were equipped with the tactical client. Each soldier had live video data of all Allied forces on their monitor for viewing. The reconnaissance output obtained showed the ability to engage the situation picture, which was condensed. This led to information advantage and an increased ability to react on the part of own forces. Exercises of this kind demonstrate the imperative need for timely reconnaissance results from drones at the tactical level to survive on a modern battlefield. In the area of ISR, the use of live transmissions, artificial intelligence, and autonomous flight systems will be pursued even more vigorously, as these capabilities are a critical component of successful military operations.